Are you struggling to capture your screen on Windows? This guide teaches easy methods to take screenshots. Capture the entire screen, a window, or parts of your screen. First, the print screen key captures your entire screen to your clipboard. Paste it into an image editor like Paint. Note that this method does not save automatically. For a faster option, press Windows key plus print screen. This saves the screenshot in the Screenshots folder, confirmed by a brief dim. To capture just the active window, use Alt plus print screen. This captures the focused window to your clipboard. Explore advanced tools like the snipping tool in Windows 11 and Snip and Sketch in Windows 10. These options let you capture specific screen parts. Press Windows key plus Shift plus S to access Snip and Sketch tool. Select the area to capture with editing features afterward. If you're a gamer, use the Xbox game bar. Press Windows key plus G to open it, then Windows key plus Alt plus print screen saves your gameplay in videos captures. For Surface devices, press power and volume up to screenshot quickly. Lastly, if you lack a print screen key, try FN plus Windows key plus spacebar or Windows logo plus volume down. Mastering these methods enhances productivity. Practice to find your preferred techniques. Happy screenshotting. Capture your moments effortlessly on Windows.